In front of you is a person holding two boxes, box A and box B. You can either pick box A and B, or just box B. The person holding the boxes is unnaturally good at predicting what people will choose. Inside box A is a guaranteed $1,000. If the predictor believes you'll pick both boxes, you get the $1,000, but box B will end up being empty. If they think you'll only pick box B, then box B will have $1 million in it. Between the guaranteed 1,000 or the highly likely million, if the predictor has accurately predicted your logic, which choice do you make? I know what choice I would make. I would pick box B, because the moment I try to pull one over on a person who can predict me accurately, I've lost this hypothetical game. There is no need to overthink it for an extra 1,000 when it's compared to $1 million. So then the question is, why is this so divisive? Apparently, it is very cleanly divisive down the middle, which makes sense to a degree. Let's focus on the predictor for a moment, because this element is the crux of the issue. Think about the idea of somebody being able to predict your choices, no matter what they are or how unpredictable you try to be. That's kind of uncomfortable, isn't it? This person holding the boxes can read you like an open book. They know what you'll try, somehow, through some unknown method. It is this sense of being so transparent that makes a lot of people uncomfortable. And so the idea of playing the game the most straightforward way, by assuming the predictor will likely be right and accepting that you're transparent, is actually the more uncomfortable option to pick. Most of the argument on which option is better likely stems from ego, because to squash your inner ego and live with your own transparency, even in that one moment, is a difficult thing to do for a lot of people. I'm very used to being transparent in the face of AI and having to dig through my own head. I have no issue being transparent if there's a positive outcome involved. So while I can't really relate to people who have trouble with this thought experiment, I do understand why it causes discomfort and why it's divisive. Being seen too clearly is a very human thing to be wary of.